Hey guys, I was thinking for part of this video we go to Whole Foods together. I need to pick up some fresh herbs because I'm experimenting with a quinoa recipe. I used to eat quinoa all the time, and recently I made it again and it was just too strong. So we're gonna try to experiment with a recipe to make it taste a little bit better. So that'll be fun. Right now I'm brewing some tea here, and after that we can be on our way. If you're wondering what kind of tea I'm drinking today, these are from the brand The Republic of Tea. This is the best tea, hands down. If you could smell this room right now, it smells amazing. But yeah, I have a mix of the kiwi pear green tea along with a mix of the apple cider tea bag. It's delicious. I'm just letting it steep for a few more minutes, and then after that I'll add a drizzle of honey. And for breakfast this morning, keeping it simple with a Belvita breakfast biscuit pack because it's quick and it's easy. It's not the healthiest, but it's much better than any other kinds of breakfast biscuits. So yeah, that's what I'm having for breakfast. I have a list here. That's my list so far. Just finishing up my brekkies. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We're about to make breakfast. I have some leftover refried beans. I'm going to have that with some eggs. That'll be breakfast. I need coffee. So we're gonna have to go to the grocery store again. It is later in the day and we had a late lunch because breakfast was really filling. So we just had lunch and it's almost 3 o'clock. And for dinner I was thinking we would just have a Caesar salad. So I need some lettuce, some sauce, and some croutons. So let's go to the grocery store. This time we're not gonna go to Whole Foods. Whole Foods is too much money that I don't have, and I'm not trying to spend that much on lettuce, croutons, and sauce. Hey guys, we just got done eating dinner and it was so good. The sun is setting and it looks so cute right now. It's unreal. Let me show you. I'm just chilling. I got done studying a little bit for my written exam coming up. I'm really nervous. But it's okay. I've done a lot in my life and I think I can do this too. So I'll be alright. God willing. This is sort of what an end of night looks like for me. I'm going to get ready for bed, do my skincare, brush my teeth, probably watch an episode of This Is Us. If you have not seen that show, highly recommend. If you don't like to cry, then I wouldn't recommend this show. But otherwise, you should definitely watch it. There's a lot of good lessons, and it's just a really heartwarming, emotional, family-oriented show, and I really enjoy it. I'm on the last season, which is kind of sad, but it's really, honestly, one of the best shows I've ever seen. The number one show for me will always be Breaking Bad, and this is probably number 2. So, but yeah, it's been fun chilling with you guys today, and I will probably catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning to you and you and you and you. So, I'm gonna go to the grocery store again, but I'm not gonna film. I'm sure you guys are sick of me going to the grocery store, but I do have a list here. This is my bigger grocery store run, so we can go through it together. This is typically what we have on a weekly basis. Some things change here and there, but this is mainly the foundation of what our diet looks like at the moment. So we eat a lot of fresh vegetables. And for my random grocery run, I am actually going to get some more of the Caesar dressing, not sauce, dressing. We also need more hummus. I'm going to get a small baguette, some pumpkin seeds, croutons, more of those, spicy pickles, paprika seasoning, beans, both black and pinto, tortilla, both corn and flour, and more Belvita blueberry flavored. And then for our protein this week, we're going to have some fajita steak, some tuna. We usually have tuna a lot for lunch, and some mahi tuna steak. And then I'm also going to grab more chicken breast because we finished most of it with our salad yesterday. And then for our milk alternatives / dairy, we usually drink coconut and almond milk, both unsweetened. And we're going to try to incorporate some Chobani plain Greek yogurt into our diet. maybe add some fruits and some granola, some of those pumpkin seeds in there for some extra protein. So yeah, that is our list for this week. One thing I actually am curious about is how much do you guys pay for your groceries? I'm buying for my boyfriend and I, so that's 2 people. We live in Wisconsin, Midwest range. Prices are more affordable for our life right now, thankfully. It's still expensive every once in a while because of like meat and milk. Like coconut milk is like $5 for like half a gallon. It's crazy, but it's really good, so we can't stop buying it. But like, you know, the beef is sometimes more expensive. You can get 3 pounds for 20 bucks, which isn't bad. But then it's like not on sale, so a pound is like $7, $8, $9. But yeah, I'm curious. Leave me a comment down below on how much you guys pay for groceries on a weekly basis. And the other thing too that plays a toll in prices is organic foods. I try my best to buy organic for everything. Sometimes it's just too expensive. Like yesterday, that lettuce that I had, it was $3 for those big 3 bunches, but the organic version of that was $8. So that's just much too expensive for me right now. But things like cucumbers, bananas, eggs, I have to buy those organic because there's a difference for me in the taste. The organic tastes much better and much more high quality. So just little things like that to keep in mind of too. But yeah, curious.